What if you could turn a single sentence into a fully rigged, production-ready 3D model in under a minute without ever opening Blender? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a completely insane AI workflow using Tripo AI and Grok. Look at the Tripo landing page. This platform is entirely built to turn text and 2D images into 3D magic. As we scroll down, you can see the core features: instant image to 3D, one-click animation, smart low-poly optimization for game devs, and massive batch generation. And if you look closely at their own site, even top creators are saying that combining Grok with Tripo AI is the future of content creation. Today I am going to show you exactly how to execute this exact workflow to build AAA quality 3D assets completely for free. But before we generate our first model, I need to show you what is happening behind the scenes. We just crossed 310 members inside the AI MoneyForge school community, and the alpha being dropped in here right now is ridiculous. Look at the general discussion. We just did a massive classroom drop with brand new modules on AI automations and zero human agency building. Our members are sharing prompt structures for spatial computing and XR blocks that you literally cannot find anywhere else on YouTube. This is the headquarters for AI entrepreneurs. It is completely free to join right now, but as we scale, that will change. Click the link in the description, join the Forge, and get instant access to the blueprints before they get locked behind a paywall. Alright, let's get into the build. Inside the Tripo workspace gallery, you can see the insane quality of what the community is generating, like this highly detailed crystal dragon. But to get the absolute best results out of Tripo, we aren't going to use their text to 3D. We are going to use an advanced image to 3D workflow using X's Grok. I am opening up Grok right now, and I'm going to feed it a very specific prompt. I'm typing, create a futuristic sci-fi robot like toy design, clean lighting, studio background, highly detailed, product render style, front view. That front view and clean lighting part is the secret sauce. You need a clean orthographic reference image for the 3D AI to understand the geometry. Grok thinks for a second, and boom, it generates a flawless, high-fidelity concept of a sci-fi robot. We are going to save this exact image and bring it over to Tripo. Back inside the Tripo AI workspace, we are going to navigate to the Generate Model tab and select the Image to 3D tool. We upload the clean robot render we just got from Grok, leave the settings on standard, and hit Generate. Look at this interface. Instead of just a boring loading bar, Tripo uses this incredible point cloud particle effect where you can literally watch the AI calculating the depth maps and forming the geometry of the robot in real time. In a matter of seconds, the particle cloud solidifies, and we have a fully navigatable 3D model. Look at the accuracy. It perfectly translated the 2D Grok concept into a 3D asset. On the left-hand panel, you can see we have full control over the retopology. We can switch the mesh from triangles to quads, adjust the polygon count, and even auto-segment the model for rigging and animation in a game engine. If you want to monetize this workflow, Tripo actually has a massive affiliate program built right in. You can earn up to 30% recurring commissions just by sharing your link with other game developers or 3D artists who need this tool. And to prove how versatile this engine is, let's take a quick look back at the community gallery. People are building everything from terrifying zombies crawling out of wooden boxes, to hyper-realistic fluffy dogs, to intricate demon-headed fantasy characters. Whether you are building assets for an indie game, an e-commerce store, or 3D printing, the Grok to Tripo pipeline is unmatched right now. I will be dropping a deep dive written guide on this exact workflow inside the school group today. Hit the subscribe button, join the AI MoneyForge using the link below, and I will see you inside. The 3D asset market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and AI just handed you the keys to the kingdom. You don't need a degree in computer animation anymore. You just need the right workflow and the execution to put these assets in front of the people who are buying them. If you want my step-by-step guide on how to list your first 3D asset pack for sale, I am putting the entire blueprint inside the AI MoneyForge School community today. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the link in the description to join the Forge, and I will see you guys in the next build.